What up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your broken Xbox or not reading the games problem. Up here, it'll either say open tray or unreadable disk, because, I don't know, so open tray, even though I have my game in there. So the first way to fix this is you're going to take your controller, and where it says close tray, you're going to hover over that. Then you're going to look down at your game, and you're going to keep pressing A, so it keeps going like this. That's a good sign. Press it about 20 to 35 times, and then don't let it go all the way in. Trick it. Oh, nope, you're coming back out. Take your game, pick it up out of the tray, and then you're going to want to chuck it against the wall. And just for drastic measures, you're going to want to do it one more time, not as hard. And you're going to want to slam it on your ground. And you're going to want to pick it up, slam it again. And then you're going to want to put it back in your Xbox. Just make sure you lightly blow on it, though. We'll get off all the dust. Stick it in your Xbox, and boom! It should work. This is how I fix all of my games. So now when it says reading, it should say play game. Come on. Son of a bitch!